Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Oskaloosa, local and long distance movers near me. You are connecting a local move when you plan to move within Oskaloosa. You'll need the services of a local moving company in this case. We have the expertise and experience to ensure a seamless moving process from start to finish. Here's how we do it. First, our Oskaloosa local movers will arrive at your location on the scheduled date and time, fully equipped with all the necessary tools and packing materials. We'll carefully pack your belongings, ensuring their safety during transport. For long distance moves, we take extra care to secure your belongings for the journey. We use high quality packing materials and techniques to ensure your items are well protected throughout transportation. Our experienced Oskaloosa long distance 3 movers will load your possessions into our spacious trucks, utilizing proper padding and strapping to prevent any shifting or damage during transit. Unlike local moves, long distance moves require more extensive logistics processing, and we meticulously plan the route, considering factors such as distance, traffic, and weather conditions to ensure timely delivery. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Oskaloosa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.